So instead of doing... Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles. Today is the final Boo It Yourself, or the BIY, the DIY for the Halloweenies out there. If you're just curious of what that is, if this is your first BIY or Boo It Yourself on my channel, go check out the others. Anyway, today is a really cool, quick, 2 DIYs together in one video, as this is my final video. I had 2 I wanted to film, but since it's running out of time and this is the final week of Hallow Week, I decided to put these final 2 into one videos. So this is really simple. I decided to take these books I got from the dollar store. If you follow me on Instagram, shameless Instagram plug here, then you'll know that I picked 3 books up for $1 each, and a fairly good size of books too. And I didn't want to ruin them in case I did want to read them later, because I don't like ruining books. I was really questioning what I needed to do. So as you see here, I just took and traced the outer jacket of the book that came with the book. If you don't have a jacket, you can trace the outside of the book and then add a couple inches to fold over on your inside of your book to make a jacket itself. I added a 1/2 inch on either side so it can fold under and make it look like it's the actual book outside binding part, the hard part of a book. If that makes sense? I don't know. Words are not my friend today. And then I just painted it black. I took and painted all 3 black after I cut them out. So I kind of messed up here. I actually should have pulled that until it was even on either side, but it's okay. It's whatever. You're not going to see it. And then I took and folded in the corners and then folded that 1/2 inch over on either side and then underneath the edge of the book as well. It's kind of difficult to see there, I know. And then I just taped it down. Now, if you do want to remove this later on, I would suggest using just some Scotch tape, something that's not going to ruin the book. If not, you can glue it down or you can paint the book itself. I just chose to do this instead. Now, I took my Cricut and cut out these words: magical creatures, spells, and potions. And then I took some extra vinyl I had and kind of paired to see which one I wanted to do for the rings on the tops and the ends of the spine of the book that you usually see in, like, I don't know why I did this, but it looked pretty to me. I don't know how to explain it other than I just took some. I think they're probably about 1/4 of an inch each after I cut them out on my Cricut. And if you're wondering why I didn't use the tape to stick it down onto the books, the transfer tape, that's what it's called, is because if I had stuck that on there, it would have pulled up all the black paint that I had painted down. So I had to do it individually, every word, and luckily since there's like a cursive calligraphy like lettering, it all ran together. I had to go in and weld that all together in my Cricut software so I could take it and make it into one sticker. Also, I have yet to find a glitter sticker that comes up with the transfer tape. Even when you use the strong transfer tape, I can't ever get that to come up off of the thing, so I always end up having to peel it off by itself. It's a little annoying, but it is what it is. See, these are the ends I was talking about, the strips there. And I didn't make them absolutely perfect because I'm, not perfect. I'm human. I'm prone to error. So this is what I did. me tell where I messed up there, and the paint came off. And I also made those bubbles on the potions and the stars I already had. So this is the second DIY. It's a Dead and Breakfast Inn sign. I've seen these around forever, and I kind of wanted to do my own take on it. So this is what I did. So this wood sign is actually the original boo sign from one of my Boo It Yourselves. Rest in peace, boo sign. Rest in peace. I ended up painting over it like in the middle of the night while working on this video, so that's why you don't see me painting it.
You can barely see it. Those lines in there. My nails look dirty, but they're not. Those lines in there. Because I forgot to hit weld. Oh, I'm so mad at myself. I was doing so good. I only hit attach, not freaking weld.
I'm a little bit mad because the more I've edited this and worked on this video, and the more I look at it, the more I can tell that this is not even. I had to eyeball all of this because I was kind of being a little bit lazy, if I'm going to be very honest here. And I wish I would have broke out the, ruler and measured it, but I wanted to get it done and get it up and get it done and over with. So just being honest, that's what happened. So it's gonna have to wait until next year until I can fix it. So it's fine. It looks good. Nobody's gonna notice until I go, hey look, did you know this is not even? Now you all know. You're welcome.
Glitter's not meant to be there. Oh, well. That's funny.
Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me on these last 2 do-it-yourselves. I hope you enjoyed them. I have had so much fun making these videos for the Halloween season. I can't wait to share with you guys next year. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like it. Comment down below what was your favorite project I did and how you like my fireplace. And subscribe if you haven't already. I really hope you guys have a wonderful Halloween. See you guys later. Bye!